Hey, oh, there's Piper running around. Piper, say hi to mommy. So there's Zach. There's our dog over there. There's that little doghouse in the back. So Piper's gonna be hanging out here. Piper, say hi. Say hi. We have him do tricks on these chairs sometimes. I don't think the weather's as nice as it was this summer. All right, Rip, you gonna play with Piper? Piper. Oh, he's running over there. Well, we just want to say hi. Now that he's gone, there's Zach. Here's under the deck. Piper. All right, well, have a safe. There you go. Hi, Piper.